More fire. More fire. More fire. More fire. It's very strong. More fire. I wanna take you away. More fire, more fire, more fire, more fire, more fire, more fire, more fire.
Whenever you come around, from my heart you win the crown. They can never let you down.
More fire, more fire, more fire, more fire, more fire. Ayo ja yanko anim ene Friday ene eye fiada ene fiada wo mo a ebe pejo mu ti na doso ene Friday action no doso okrom edu Friday a action no doso okrom oti ase enti wo mo a ekoje omani wo mo a wo mo kosi omo de hye wo mo a ware foforo oti ase obi anya ska anei wo pese echina what the coffee be ba ebeto no ho so se ono an obehwe no more fire otia se intija no ensi show bibia in a professional way and then Friday your football no so mo nye ni a ye mfa sa reho ne hye so a Monday a Messi Friday no edu fiade a ese yetimi kekan ho kakra ne o pagya uti o e bema de se wo bema mu timi pagya uti after the whole week no obo mane na ninema more fire in a professional way ejane hye fire crew ni nyina ejane hye fire crew ni nyina obadam ha manfo diasa otiase enwom no na obehwe cameraman na obia di diasa wa ha ena from kra sound engineer Paul onso ye heavy pa ena fe Sarah papa bi owo chirinyam ewaniminyam abibia ye kama Sergio Manucho unbeatable producer extraordinaire ejane shishi obibia me se na da ben ena Friday ena Friday ye week ni mu ne yakọ weekend na ko bokotoko ne house game no Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene Accra House of Folk ehona tension ni nyina wo umpo eno any game a Ghana for hwe nim se nyame ya tuma kwasiada all eyes no ebetimi adi akire Asante Kotoko ene House of Folk Kotoko na ebo home more fire oti ase Kotoko ena ebo home enti ko Kumasi a said I would say womo chese ntwene no airport no po manenko more fire
Asante Kotoko say
more fire
Asante Kotoko say
more fire Eyoja. Enti na makacho did that say attention in Neko Kumasi. Two teams in the airport, House of Folk and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. House the supporters they say Kumasi na yo mufie. House supporters no de biada womo say game a womo ball keep coach no kra no womo mpe komunyanka Kumasi and yo mu home because e ho na de bia womo chi Kotoko a womo timi eye womo nyandoa no womo timi ka na bragging right ni adwuma na besi so say e ba bibire mu nyina e ba na Africa. Na two teams by that time na Ghana football. Enti na do baby na say enkofo we mo agu ya football omo haye. Womo tete ya football no omo ma Ghana football edu baby a na ya kai ni yesu. Has ne kotoko. Ya ball home. We ball ni dia wan cra first. No we ko ball ni dia Kumasi. Two Ghanaian clubs so and a call final of Africa. Two Ghanaian clubs. Hassan Kotoko. And then, Bisa who said, Ombetim club qualify po, I could do group stages grading. Yet me sepo, Dr. Che, me players, born in answer, and Kamuda Mumbo do group stages. Mama Muska say, Muji Kruano Kaka. Memo be a 2-bedroom and no credit because your football not say. Football no good. Ghana football no asai atete tese ese no ye hu said ye ye hu said ya Ghana football ne tie enti ye clubs ne ko Africa pa o mo ntumi ndu ba bia ba ni nyina for these two clubs no wo mo so no tese du ba bia no mo da na House of Folk ada na Kotoko ada na me atuma Sunday a big game oko Bebia, Yasa for Nenina, Obia or Matisa, a Dua, Mat Bakwa, a Dobia Kumaso. Country Bia on it here, Ghana, yes, yet here, a Kumase, a Santi Kotoko, and a Accra House of Folk. And no Nakwasiada, a Basuno. Ocha say, and ya today say fire class. And you know, a class, and ye Sabi, and Kwala. And talk on ebe koso ho eye fire ejaso ejano na ebe so Kumasi eye jaso na ejano na ebe so Kumasi am ye hu sampa ye bo Ghanaian football two Ghanaian clubs no na ejina kono no na officiating ma member officiating asa officials no referees yaka se enei mo na mo nkonko gina mu referees nyame aduma mo nkonko gina mu no referees no mu make sure say mu ba ensure good officiating Ghanaian referees ya come wasam ache ya come wasam mu ofia ha no my local champions mu kwa bibrema ni ya panisimo ya say aye basa aye tan na no de ya na ba kusi ye patinya se mu timi nya tuma on betimi ya tuma no enso bua payo na ni pada se ni da kotinem no di match na troka referees na ya pa om so mun ko ginam no referees na ya do om say this match no om no mun ko die no om so na be gina no om ensure say ya nya good officiating ya pe good officiating ya pet mi na o kwa de kan nyame awadum say two teams no obi anim say two teams ni amande mo nye wo mu mienu nyina no obi anim say bebi om no ma center afo no we lusu bako na we ebo draw the next day we so ebo draw na we so aden ekonanim enti referee Timothy Obuobisa wona ya te say report aye say wono na ekwa fifiri say center referee ya te say Badu Adams eka ho as line 1 Paul Atimaka enso eko say line 2 no na fe fourth official aye Kennedy Party class 1 referee Kennedy Party no or a class 1 referee but the year can say game na moko Kumasi na mako di game no match na moko officiate wo Kumasi no ye pese officiate no enye fe moma Ghana for wi aye moma baso moma Ghana for say this time dear Joseph so lusu and walusu Joseph so wini and we wini game no enkwaya de bia ye be wie ne ya pre video na ball akopo obi achi na esa ball nsa na ball akopo obi nsa na esa ball obi achi yam pesa those kind of officiating no this time yam pebiem e wo Ghana ha Paul Atimaka ene hwan no kan Timothy Obobisa wonam na okasa no yam pesa officiating na mudia mubewie na my referees no mom about topic of the day ya popo wia enkade beti Monday na say ya kan ya discussing game no ya discussing play or say go play of beautiful football no near by discussing referees modern ma sabe tan am say you know any about discussing yam pesa life ni biem Timothy Obobisa wona ya center man FF no so mu make sure say this game no na mo gadget ni ya adwuma. This is the game can say mo gadget ni nyina no ebo adwuma referee we gina park no so no we communicate no wate obakokra na gadget ye di adwuma na enya adwuma FF we mboa ye football no oka obi ntia se obakọ na referees and the modern football ya boy referees kwa no eni enoma so mo di officiate as a match like Kotokone has a match o Clasico au Cospena omo fra no a match eya two teams Africa henyina obia look up to them has the Kotoko na ye ni gadgeta referees ne kwadi kodi match no obakọ no na me say yeah I say so maso any normal mu use no na nya adwuma na say nanu ada ye say omu charge kura nye ye charging system asay and you know, this is the time SF no contribute to referees association, you know. Mon contribute to yenya gadget I bet me aboa referees no. Because match we wiase nyina be hwebi. More fire. Match we wiase nyina be hwebi. Ocha say this is the match me say wiase nyina ba be hwebi. Because partnership start time for no FF for no ekwaje 10 years wo mo ho no. Won meba be yi FF1 no one sign contract. Say papo, say nya papo, match on meba be yi. Enti no, ya pese moma ye referees no, ye almost no, omunya gadget o metim da ye tuma na Timothy Obobisa. Wasam na make am say, o ko gina park ne so a, me ye hu fair officiating. Me ko gina ho na ube wie ne ye be discuss o. Anya wona ya power discuss on Monday no anya wona Ghana for pese ye wia ye nyu mfiri kra ye nyu mfiri game ni mu anya wona ase be discuss Monday akam ho ne Ghana referees de bia ese mo na ye di mo ya topic akam ho any Ghana referees de bia da ye po match awie no na ye di mo na ye topic. So this is not the time ya popo Kotokone asewie na ya be discuss Timothy Obobisa say decision o take here and say Badiu Adams say line 1 adentina when peja flag na ya be Paul Atimaka sade no so no line 2 anyone o hwe na onya fit and manim ya fre mpenifo na catch say me nya fit because Ghanaian referees bebre na mukọ fitness test anu maferi Africa ehia mukọ bebre amu feri etu hwe na onya fit and manim ya de nchen so we ndu kwasi adaye and manim ya catch say me nya fit mintimi ndi ba so ko ginem na Sunday odi abense wano ukokita o flag ni e bewie na onu ye baba discuss de and emu binim so e be kabi akyerɛ pa ye be kabi akyerɛ ye be baba gina ni ya kabi akyerɛ say da opese ye discuss no ye be kabi akyerɛ pa because we want to ensure say this game no ye nya fair officiating na memra players no two teams no one so players no so two teams no players na sebi and they yeka Ghana football ya pese football na yefe na wiase nyina behwe no afeina ubenya player bi akwaje bo akopupupu na to chese enema tantan bi o chese enema tantan bi na Ghanaian players no omo kwa akogina wakoye akosokesi sa class bobo bi a obo tete bi no chese in class football bi na Ghanaian player nka standard be adri Premier League player Ochasia Premier League player Nanka baby our standard deadro no eso ku anim na ubenya ref chese player bi a afa no wopupu na ton wokọ ne bobo tan Kotokone has players this time players no busakwa se hwan po nanka this time ke yabopo yapo Kotokone has na ka wokọ se because this man because this player but we mo na say mun showcase good football mun showcase good football strikers no munya chances na mun se goals no na supporters na ko na ninje yeah two teams Kotokone has Henry Wellington ne Park West Fabian the same class coaches omu bi bia similar womu didiem womu kasiem womu bi bia similar Park West Fabian gina ha na Henry Wellington gina ha obiafu se ya de atiani obiafu de atiani sei ena omu di coach two teams no say ya na we de ate we ba say ya ena omu di coach nti omu enu de difference bi anim tactical hwan bi anim enti na make say players no omu exhibit good game omu ye hu mature football our park ne so mu exhibit good football good game mo ye hwe good game our Sunday Ghanaian players enti ye wie na local league no ye bebo wie no bi ani blaster ni ma na entiase this is the time ese mo chese mo ni bo ne bo adwuma obeye no adwuma wo ye ntia supporters Kotoko supporters di wati no adwuma wo ye ntia house of supporters edi wati no o chase enti mama maturity ni nya adwuma mama ye hwe mature football Sunday two players na America ma sem tene mo Kotokone has players no mama sem na America no o chase enti no Sunday dia bibia de team obia kokuma se supporters na ko na supporters no so supporters no Kotokone has supporters no especially has die bi o mo start ye na no ada has die bi a o mo hyase week ni mu o chase Kotoko die bi a o mo so hyase week ni mu eteki Dr. Chei se wono ase da akọ ho Dr. Chei eteki no ema no akọ ho what I say afi ono ena ese wokọ na chese woni supporters ne se da akọ kasa wokọ ho na o se da akọ kasa every week bia mo bo match wi a meba na ma betie mu anu masem na ma be hwese sen ena mo de ache enti supporters no this game no mo make sure say and na ekwa na sabesi bambosem so because your secret you know minim tese ayi your first police for ne fire service for na ekwa park no ebi nya obi no gina park no so no o hwe ball no jubilate kwa chen supporter wako trace ka hwe ball obi a onko gina no mba ho ban no o make sure say enoma to di your secret ni ye no wono no o jubilate kwa chen supporter wo ball o chase enti no nese said that tiano no o chase enti sanatie so hu enti no said America no say ena tie ne say wo mu make sure me say supporters no en comport yo mo ho enya afena ya beko na ukochesi we na ukototo moba ukototo normal basabasa ukoye normal we sabe any football mu any sports mu e wo stadium ho Ibrahim Babangida
Kobe the Firestone
Ibrahim
Kobe
Babangida
the Firestone the scavenger the ruler of the city
ejane shewa
obeba in a professional manner
o chase ye pese ye hu se Ghanaian football no ye exhibit their chewiase nyina good football good officiating supporters no akon poto mo ho utia team up ye wi a watia tum ye mpese beba wie na ye de referees no beba discuss won
Kobe eno na waka no.
More fire.
Oman bia on the trademark as far as the domestic league is concerned. Just say e bia wobenya a football association na wada na onye na adwen say obekenkan ho ye aduma. Fi say minim say ukọ the Spanish Premier League or the Barcelona Real Madrid game targeting as the El Clasico. And anu ya other power forces eba Premier League intia na kan fa Liverpool Manchester United matches. It is the English derby.
More fire.
Ukọ the German Bundesliga. You can't do away with Borussia Dortmund versus Bayern Munich. Irrespective of the venue, no, it is the most attracted game. Spectators trooping in their numbers. Yemra bibremu ha. Yenko yan Abidjan ha. We want to ASEC Momo Samo and some other Ivorian clubs be etimi sia. Ivorians ni see as a peculiar game. Yenko the Egypt. See na the Ali Zamalek El Cairo Mountain. So people troop to the stadium days before the fixture. Nyemi say on say ye dey sanete ana. Yen ye dey wo krom ha sanete. Ene Yeba benya the biggest version of a fixture in your league. Coach Simienu Ebai and show any exemplary tactical display. Omu bi asafa Henry Wellington House of Folk for nyini Paako si Fabian and demonstrate any recognizable style of play and Fama Kotoko. Last season, Kotoko, etimi share one of their worst goal scoring campaigns, scoring just 23 goals in 30 matches.
It's almost a Sunday game, no
impact via my House of Folk last season under Nuta.
Coach is the
assistant, no, Nuta ko any the Jumana Mawa. You are the first coach to concede 3 separate goals in 3 separate matches. And the coach is me no me the almost in House of Folk players. Your bomb, they should have been the usual household names here. Malik Akowa, the likes of Ben Mensah from Olympus to Kinfesa to New Edubiasi to House of Folk. He should have shown Sankane or a matured. The fact you lose a Musa, Yatinidia in the system, Dauda Cosmos, Ne Patrick Razak are usual household names. Ufa Kumasi Asante Kotokwa, they are the best one could talk of because in they who players like Augustine Sifa, Emmanuel James Fimo, and Frank Safu Sadiq Adams being paid $1,000 every month. These are the usual household names, but they have failed to glitter. Me focus, my attention na the referee for the day, Timothy Obuabisa. The referee for the day. Because any man in Guasia, while my Amamu Ghanaian referees are quite jabre, you nyina two referee Joseph Lamte, and the Nimu Guase Poto, and then FIFA, Yinefi referee, you may know, as I say, Obagan and Swap, near Helino, say, why the best referee we have in the country. Look at the best referee near, yes, a nay, FNO patches, a referee, Papa Mia, Nikroma. So if referee Joseph Lamte near hailing as your best referee there, near say Papa be any chroma. It's your net referee Timothy Obuabisa. I am a desert who throw the fireman. So after the game, we don't want to discuss. After the game, your bread, ne has and Kotoko matches here. Referees inefficiencies and their inaptitude and raises several times. Referees no. Yes, will be in 2001. Yes, you will be in 2001. So owing to officiating bankruptcy, Accra or Hani Echeni Yahiwomen, Yam Pesiabe military Sabian, and the referee Timothy Obuabisa should demonstrate a fair arbitration in the 90 minutes of the game. Now, afterwards, say Kotoko Wodi Nkunimwa, they should be able to help their players and their supporters. And what you have to focus on Nkunima, they will admit to say they have won in a good faith. Yam the situation, yes, House of Folk supporters, referee Obuabisa, Yachini Babi and Nibedi, Yam the situation, these are issues that should be of the past. After the game, referee Timothy Obuabisa for this particular game and cementing who said Ghana for GDO referee. Not after the game, Now when we say Dr. Sikasamo, Edward Mose referee, Niase, Namasala Gemo, referee apart. We don't want to see it. How? So Timothy Obuabisa, you are also a man of integrity. You have a family, you have a society who free. At the end of the day, and to use this game as an exemplary platform. You the situation. You be not the be a brand new referees will come out. The referees you. Papa, only me kind idea be enra. Okay. And I'm be say referee no holy man. Yakobu Obrekum say bad officiating. Okay. Referee no holy man. Yakobu Ewelmin say bad officiating. Okay, last season MTN FA Cup Brekum the end them Brekum the no. No mo say when dia mabrekum Chelsea sentina make that no din fair e wo brekum na wo di kan Chelsea fo ne say omo ma no ba say won ne nda no di ma wo ne kan oduro safo say aha wo mo ma no ba say won di ma
and oji obano and a sebe wo di wi and when di match no
Kobi media master kakra say asema dance here no ye twa asem no be the dance here okay last season MTN FA Cup quarter final Kotoko near Salamina there was a penalty awarded that the coach of Kotoko disputed the credibility of the penalty why na no jinem sa na enu liman for ya enti wo de and some for war na for war na wo je penalty na team na waje penalty ama no criticize the credibility of the penalty ukwa away matches ya ye bo war no na e kire bibi say ye referees no are failing to live up to expectation. And the referee Timothy Obuobisa, one of fourth referee, Kennedy Paddy, a class 1 referee. And it is if indeed who merited the certification of a class 1 referee, I was demonstrating Mukwase. Now after the game, no, Kotoko for to Mukwase, says so Mukochi Pako says, oh yeah, or Yadi. Kotoko for to me who say, your players are then determined to leave the focus of the Porcupine family. After the game, no, has a phone who said, Wellington, you give you any more another Abby. And I said, your players see this time round, they are showing a revival. Yes, about the year, now referees, we are fed up with it. They want to see the beauty and the euphoric scene around the biggest fixture in our league.
Ibrahim Babangida no. Ibrahim Babangida and our chain and cano. Ocha sene Friday. Eighteen do Friday so the only say and channel. Obete Masola Gege and Sonka live our Asempa 94.7 FM. Samiri Awotemin and Canon and Patem and we Asempa. And afi aseda 105.9 e was secondita kwade and in Patem. Etina makacho se Maxwell and Dr. Skasem one bet you show no kama. Ocha se na afi Adum TV so na ocean live no www.adomonline.com. If you are sent in Takasho so obi a change media. This is the show. Me say then this is the show. Fire for fire. Fire for fire. That is the name of the show. MyBet.com. Mwa kwenja obeba homano so now do diapa commentary position. Sarah na why temperature ready amame. MyBet.com. Ebe mwa kwenja Melcom where Ghana shops. E ho Ghana fo nyina edija Melcom kona kodija ho. Ocha se medjedie no enya foma wa na Melcom e ho na obenya noma ne bo no wo fom e noma papa ne bo fom e ya Melcom. Ghana fo nyina ho ne edija. Ocha se enti no oba frɛ na do diaba Sarah ma temperature ne rise na Timothy obo wan obo bisa any referee say ko any supporter say ko no obia enkompɔto no ho.
Let me say